Hello everyone, it's party time. I've got some fantastic food and a party menu for you. So I have created quite a fun menu with some cold canapes, some warm canapes, some dishes with flavors from different parts of the world, because this is Radikal Kitchen and everything here is with a twist. So I'm now going to start with my mozzarella sesame bites. I fell in love with this dish when I was in Italy. This has got a lovely blend of flavors. So you've got the creaminess from the mozzarella, you've got the nutty taste from the sesame, and the little sweet and sour taste from the balsamic glaze and grapes. So this is a very, very easy canapé. You can just assemble it in a matter of minutes, but it's yum. This is my crunchy, punchy tuna canapé, inspired by the tuna canapés I've had in Spain. My mother-in-law makes a lovely tuna and a mayo canapé with capers and olives. So I wanted to give it a radical touch. So the crunch comes from the onions and the punch comes from the harissa. You will love it, I'm sure. I hope you enjoy my canapes inspired by Spanish and Italian culinary experiences. Please do try them. Please like the video, please subscribe, and please share. And I'm going to be sharing some really exciting recipes inspired by flavors from around the world. All party foods coming up soon.